Hello dear friends, good evening, such a beautiful evening. So I want to do some lazy cooking. I have some tofu. Cut it on the side. Drain a little bit. Mapo tofu, hot and spicy tofu. Put it in. Now I will turn the fire strong and put some pre-cooked beef. This is beef. Pre-cooked beef on the bottom. See if that is sufficient. And pre-cooked spice sauce. So there is meat, there's champignon, mushroom, ginger, onion, and that sort of stuff. So oftentimes I cook a lot of these so that during the week I have no time, I can easily have something. Oh, that's a lot. Sufficient. Just like that. Put some cooking wine. Cover it up. And 5 minutes later, it will be good. You may want to put some water or something, but so far we are good. See you in 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes later. I want to put a little bit of water. Oh, I have a mushroom soup. That is even better. Okay, should be sufficient. Another 2 minutes. See you later, alligator. Okay, another 2 minutes later. That's it. Mapo tofu, yeah, spicy tofu. This is good enough. If you want to have more flavor, keep on cooking. Otherwise, good enough. Bon appetito.